Hello everyone, welcome back to the One Stop Solution. In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable comments on Facebook posts. Let's get started. Start by opening Facebook on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. Tap on the top icon to go to your profile. Now search for the post in which you want to disable the comments in. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the post. Make sure that the post is public. To do so, go to Edit Post Privacy, then set it to public. Now tap on the three dots again. Tap on Who can comment on your post. Tap on Friends. By doing so, only the people you follow can comment on your post. Tap on Done at the bottom. And that is how to disable comments on Facebook posts. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.